I wake up every day as flesh and bones, humbled alone, weak on my own. Lord, you love me bare and natural. You meet me where I am, still high on your throne.
I look up to you in all I do. You're my example of perfection. To be pleasing in your sight is my sole goal in this life. But there's no pressure to be perfect. Perfect you are. Perfect you are. So I don't have to be perfect. Perfect you are. You are.
We try our best, but sometimes we fall short. It's part of our design. It's what we need God for. No record keeping, no, He won't take score. Just standing in the gap, waiting to restore.
The merciful love that you showed, you're my example of perfection. To be pleasing in your sight is my soul goal in this life, but there's no pressure to be perfect. Lord, you are, you're perfect, so I don't have to be perfect. I know, 'cause you are perfect. You are righteous judge, the Holy One. You know every intention of my heart. You're the spotless lamb, the blameless Son, yet no mistake could break us apart. Apart.
You're super to my natural, you're extra to my ordinary flaws. Hold my hand through it all, forgive me every time I fall. Help me to see that I don't need to be worthy.
You are, so I don't have to be perfect to be. You are perfect. So I don't have to be perfect. If I have a chance that seems impossible, or a habit that seems unbreakable, or a setback that seems inescapable, any problem that I am not capable of solving on my own. Where are we? Show yourself strong. Lifter of my
that you've called me to. I won't make it on my own. Where I'm weak, show yourself strong. Lifter of my head when I'm low. Where I'm weak, show yourself strong. So now to Him who is able to do more than I ever could hope for, I give you permission, Lord, breathe within me. 'Cause together we win, we win, we win, we win, we win. Lord, you're more than able. We win, so we win, we win, we win, we win, we win. There is no sin that's unforgivable, no season that is unchangeable. There's no sickness that is unhealable, and no
Okay, family, I have the skirt done. Here's the skirt. It's all done. It's poofy. It's got the lining in it from the tulle lining put in it so that it stays puffy and everything. And I've hemmed it and it is ready to go. Now all I got to do is figure out this top because I don't want the back to be out. So I'm going to have to add some leather to it, and I need it to go all the way around. So I'm going to have to cut this in 2 pieces. And let's see what I need to do with that. Let's start here. Here we go, right here. Let me see, y'all. Hold on. Okay. So I'm gonna cut this off. Okay, so put that over there, and I think I need to cut 2 pieces of this. So and this is how wide I need it to be. Yeah. Well, if it ain't, then I just have to cut some more.
stand still.
And I'm going to come back and put the hem in. And we'll be done with the top. And then we will be done with the dress, y'all. And I will be so glad. Because I need to make at least 2 more. Maybe 2 more bow ties and some lapels for their jackets just in case they want to have those. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to come back and try it on and let you guys see me in the rough. So when you see me in the video, my daughter is okay with me recording. So when you get to see me, and then they're going to take some pictures, but I won't have those pictures till later. So I'll try to take some pictures on my phone so that people will have pictures, or so that I will have pictures of myself in the dress that I can share with you guys. And I'll try to get some individual pictures of the wedding party and all that kind of stuff like that. Okay? All right. Why my eyes look like they crossed? I don't know, y'all, but they're not. Anyway. All right. Hold on. I'll be right back.